So the governing body for school sports, ISA, has predictably joined the Antonio Watson bashing party by referencing their code of conduct from 2019, which says the gesture of cutting the throat, the symbolic firing of shots, the taunting of opponents, and all other acts deemed to be unsportsmanlike behavior are to be discontinued immediately. So just for argument's sake, let us say the symbolic slashing of the throat and the firing of the shots are glorifying violence and will turn innocent youngsters into violent criminals. Take that point. But what exactly is taunting an opponent? What is taunting? Beating your chest or flashing your hand or saying me are the best or you know good like me. That is taunting and unsportsmanlike conduct. So Usain Bolt was the biggest taunter of them all then, as well as the great Muhammad Ali. These great men built their legacies on taunting and then beating opponents. So all these youngsters like Antonio Watson should not emulate Usain Bolt, because by the ISA code of conduct, Bolt taunted opponents and was unsportsmanlike in his behavior. In this new dispensation, athletes must just stand in their blocks like this. And after them win the race, no taunting, no stick with themselves like this.